Greetings from Test Prep Card. Saudi, the biggest country in GCC countries, among the GCC countries, and probably the best place in order to prepare for any competitive examination. You must be surprised why I'm telling like this. It is just because that the students in Saudi Arabia, they are confined. And why they are confined? Because there is less distraction, right? There is no distraction over there, you can say. A very peaceful atmosphere, calm and serene place, right? You study at your home, you go to your park, wherever you are. The concentration is in atmosphere, right? This is it. This is what I wanted to convey you. That's why, according to us, this is an ideal place. You sit and you prepare for the best of the examination. Over there, Almighty has given everything in abundance so that, you can prepare well. Now, let me tell you a story, or let me share a piece of information to you. Whether it is the eastern part of Saudi, I mean to say Dammam or Jubail or Khobar, whether it is the central part of Saudi, Riyadh, or Jeddah, right? Jeddah, over there, the test prep card students, once in a month, they all meet by a place by the shore of Red Sea. And this is for what? To discuss their result, to discuss their way of preparation, right? Such is the resonance among these students, okay? They have created in a community in a place like Jeddah, right? They are away from all hue and cry, and they are targeting the best of the examination in the best of the method, which is for JEE, NEET and SAT1. We would also like to tell you that whether your child is in grade 11th or going into grade 11th, the thing is that the ideal combination of examination, if he is targeting engineering, is JEE, I mean both means an advanced as well as SAT1. And this is not SAT2, SAT1, which is all about math and English. Through SAT1, not only your child can apply to IIIT Hyderabad, but also to BITS Pilani and DC Delhi, the top 3 universities, NTU, NUS and SUTD in Singapore, as well as top 25 universities in US, top 5 to 7 universities in Canada, all along with the scholarship. Many have already walked on that path. Now the question is whether a child is also ready to walk on this path. Over the period of time, what we have realized that the children in Saudi Arabia, they are very good at concepts and understanding the theory. But what they lack is the problem solving application. I mean to say, as far as matter is understanding with the theory or concepts of gravitation, they are naturally good at that because they are very informed, they are smart, they have got a lot of resources from here and there to learn the theories and concepts. But wherever it comes that they have been given some numericals, some questions related with the gravitation, over there they lack. They find discrepancy. It is simply because the reason that they are not into practice of the diverse variety of question or the different level of difficulty. So here at Test Prep Card, everything starts with a small analysis session, which is generally of 60 minutes, bit of math or chemistry or physics. Based on this, the purpose of this analysis session is what? Once you are about to start your journey, say for foundation program of grade 9th or grade 10th, or 2-year course for JEE or medical, or 1-year course for JEE or medical. First of all, you must know the aptitude, the abilities of your child, right? Here I am talking about the aptitude regarding the subject, whether physics or chemistry or math or biology, right? Based on this, we send you a small feedback report followed by the complete detail. And then we speak with you so that we start everything with a consent. So the thing is that here the best of the teacher who are top-notch ex-ITNs. Once your child has joined our batch, and remember the specialty of the test prep card is what? The batch size is small. In a batch, you shall only be finding 15 students. not more than that, with best of the teacher. So after the theories have been translated into the concept, the child is given to practice the set of questions related to the same topic. And then based on that, whatever doubts are filtered out, these would remain to be a matter of doubt removal session, so that the problem solving skill of your child is honed. So this is the way, right? This is the way the whole cycle is repeated. And within 6 to 7 months, a time comes when a child is already walking in that path towards acquiring the greatest skill in order to crack any high-stake examination, whether it is JEE or NEET or SAT1, right? So, without any sort of delay, what we would request you to give all your details to us by filling the form over here at Test Prep Card, or you can send your details to us at info@testprepcard.com. We'll get back to you. So the time is now. Don't delay. It's not, before it gets late, right? Please do contact with us, right? Now, most importantly, if you have any queries or any concern regarding the courses for this coaching program, you can also send us a mail at info@testprepcard.com. Thanks a lot.